In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all columns the same width in Google Sheets. This is a quick way to tidy up a messy spreadsheet, make your data easier to read, and keep everything looking consistent. We'll start from the Google homepage, open your spreadsheet, select the columns you want, and then set an exact width so they all match perfectly. Begin by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. From that menu, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. If you already have a sheet in mind, go ahead and open it. You can pick it from your recent files or locate it from your drive. With your document open, the next step is to highlight all the columns you want to make the same width. The simplest way to grab everything is to click the header of the first column you need, then drag across to the last one. If you want the entire sheet, a handy tip is to click the small blank square at the very top left of the grid, where the row numbers and column letters meet. That selects the whole sheet in one click, including every column. Once your columns are highlighted, right-click on any one of the selected column letters. Make sure you're clicking on the header, not inside a cell. In the menu that appears, choose Resize Columns. You'll see that Google Sheets recognizes the range you selected and is ready to apply one size to all of them at once. A dialog box will ask for the new column width in pixels. Type the exact number you want. For example, 150 is a good starting point for general text columns. If your data is very short, you might go a bit smaller. If you have longer labels or dates, you might choose something larger. The key here is that using a specific pixel value ensures every selected column ends up exactly the same width. After you've entered the number, click OK. Sheets will instantly update all the selected columns to match the width you set. Take a moment to scan your sheet. If you see text being cut off, you can repeat the resize and pick a slightly larger number. If things look too spaced out, try a smaller value. And remember, you can always use undo if you want to revert and try again. That's it. You opened your sheet, selected the columns, chose resize columns, set a precise pixel width, and confirmed with OK. Now your columns are perfectly uniform, and your spreadsheet looks clean and professional.